Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to get free MoboReels coins 2025. So as you can see, when we open up the MoboReels, we are pretty rich. We've got the mod right here. We can get free coins, anti-ban. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this onto your device. So the first thing we're going to do is go to hexmods.com. We're going to type in MoboReels, and then we're going to see it. And what we're going to do is just go ahead and press on it, and we're going to press the download, and then before it downloads, you are going to see something telling you to do missing file download. So you're probably like, what is that? Well, basically, before we can install this, we have to download some other apps from the App Store, completely free, and this will install the MoboReels mod into your device. So let me just show you guys how to do that. So as you can see, it says missing files required, so we got to get 2 of the apps. So there's all these apps, so it doesn't matter which one you do. Just make sure you read the instructions. You can see down and run, install and reach level 9. You know, they're all different. So once you do it, guys, the MoboReels mod will be installed. You can get free coins. Super crazy. And it actually works, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I've been looking for a mod for quite some time, but this is pretty wild. So I will see you guys later, but be sure to subscribe, Just download 2 of the apps and follow instructions. You're going to be good to go, bro. So, yeah, if this video works for you guys, definitely share it. We need to get more attention to the MoboReels community because everyone's poor on it. But with the modded version, you won't be poor anymore. It's super cool. So, I'm going to see you in another video. But, yeah, tell your friends about it. Just make sure you get 2 of the apps and follow the instructions to the letter, and it will work. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, if you're interested in getting free MoboReels coins, this is the best way to do it, guys, today.